Inkokheli ye-DA umnumzana John Steenhuisen uthi iqela lakhe lizakuthabatha amanyathelo aliqela naquka ukubhenela kwibutho lezophando laseMelika i-FBI kwakunye nomkomishina lwamapolisa kazwelonke kweli.
It was one of 9 steps that we've announced today, some of them parliamentary, others involving outside agencies, the FBI being one of them. Because it is alleged that dollars were involved, it's very clear that this is a currency of the United States of America, and the FBI are tasked with investigating white-collar corruption and money laundering involving the use of US dollars, particularly where these cross borders. I think it's very important that we understand where these dollars have come from, which borders they've crossed, and how they ended up in South Africa. And we believe that they would be better placed to be able to answer that question in the absence of clarity from President Ramaphosa. The President needs to come out and give his side of the story, because this is becoming his nkandla, and it's going to be a big ugly stain on his presidency if he doesn't come and take the nation into his confidence about where the money came from, why he was in possession of it, why are we having an investigation now when this thing happened 2 years ago. Was the VIP protection unit used to go and pursue the private business interests of the president? Was the president, had he declared this business and money in terms of the register? These are all things that we had used the same mechanisms with Mr. Zuma. Should the president choose to stonewall, should the president continue with the silence, well, we will then do exactly what we did to Mr. Zuma and make sure that every opportunity we get that we will raise this issue and that we will start to use courts and other mechanisms to do so.